Welcome back. Today we're going to be cooking a chicken dinner in your Instant Pot. This is a healthy meal, quick, 45 minutes or less. That's right, 45 minutes or less. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Without further ado, let's get started. Prepare your ingredients beforehand to save yourself some time. Dry the outside of your chicken. Either use a paper towel or a rag. You just want to get that moisture off the outside so when you start to saute it, you get a nice sear. Of course, you can always put some pepper and some salt on it, a little bit. But I would actually recommend you not put any salt on this chicken for this recipe. Turn your Instant Pot on, saute. Make sure you put some oil in it. Throw that oil in there, let it heat up till it says hot. Then you're going to take your chicken and put it in to saute it on both sides. You're going to make sure it's that nice deep golden brown. Doesn't that look tasty, yummy? I know, right? Remove your chicken from the Instant Pot and set it to the side. Next, we're going to add our onions to the Instant Pot. Then add in your garlic. Next, add your red wine to the Instant Pot. And if you don't want to use red wine, you can always use chicken stock or any other type of liquid you prefer. Now add in your tomatoes. Place your chicken back in the Instant Pot and all that mixture. Just make sure you just get it underneath the tomatoes and the onions, all that good stuff. Just set your chicken right in that. Now place your lid on top of the Instant Pot. Twist it, make sure it's locked in place. Go ahead and press the off button to take it out of saute. Then you want to press your meat button or your manual button, and you want to take it to 14 minutes, making sure it is on high pressure. Make sure the pressure release valve is sealed. Once your 14 minutes is up, go ahead and release the steam out. Take your lid off. Go ahead and remove your chicken from the Instant Pot. Place your chicken to the side. Now add in your capers. Then mix all of that up that's in the Instant Pot. And the chicken that you set aside, go ahead and cut that into little strips or big strips, however you choose. And you're going to serve it with this wonderful mixture on top of your chicken. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button. And please leave a comment in the bottom and let me know what you thought. I love good constructive feedback. Make sure you watch the next video. Until next time.